4-pack of stemless wine glass ideal for everyday use or entertaining. Lead-free. Made of soda ash glass for optimal wine presentation and enjoyment. Each glass holds 15 fluid ounces. Elegant profile with gently curved bowl. Made in the USA. Dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Glass may break if subjected to temperature differences of 194 F or greater. If a glass with hot water is put into the freezer or hot water is poured into a frozen glass. Top reviews from the United States. Not 15 ounces, these are 12 ounces. Loved the glasses, however, when I opened the box they seemed too small. Got a measuring cup and it turns out they only hold 12 ounces. The description and the box both indicate 15 ounces. I returned them but, given their size, they would have been perfect.